So today what we're going to do is talk about what is the adjustment. We hear all about the adjustment. It's a pop, it's a crack. What really is it? Is it the bones going crunch over each other? No, it's not that. Let me explain to you exactly what it is. And I'm going to grab my spine here, Oliver, as in Oliver spine. Funny, right? So let's explain what this actually is. This here is the middle part of your spine, and I'm going to access this part because this is where the camera is and you can really look at it a little bit closer. Between here, you have these joints. These are called facet joints. And these facet joints hold a lot of gas. You can say maybe you have a gassy spine. But what happens is you have hydrogen and nitrogen gas buildup within the facet joints. Now, as I move the joints, it oscillates the joints and releases the gas within those joints. Very similar to, but completely different from, those two can exist together, a bottle of soda. You open up the soda can, there goes carbon dioxide. You oscillate these joints, there goes the hydrogen and nitrogen gases. That is where the pop comes from. But now let me tell you about the adjustment. The adjustment's a whole different thing because it's not really orthopedic, it's more in your head or neurologic. So what happens is there's an area of your spine that becomes fixated. What I mean by that is there are muscles that are so tight that it locks up this part of your spine. So now your brain has to communicate with the spine itself. When an area is not moving, your brain recognizes this. And it's the part of your brain called your cerebellum. That concentrates on your movement and your balance for the most part. Because the brain recognizes, hey, this area is not moving very well, it informs these muscles to tighten up even more to support the area. So that is good, but it's bad in one way because you're not getting any motion. There are also little capsules around these joints called these capsules are and encase some mechanoreceptors. That means that these receptors have a communication directly with the brain itself. So now you have the brain knowing that this isn't moving, and here absolutely knowing it's not moving. So what I do as a doctor of chiropractic, go into that segment, find out which way it's not moving, and then mobilize it in that general direction. When that happens, it puts a quick stretch on these capsules that sends a message to the brain. The brain recognizes as, hey, you guys are moving again. So then what it does, it informs the surrounding muscles that it can start to relax. That all happens instantaneously, which always blows my mind because this happens to me every single day and what I do for a living. And to watch this really easy to explain way of mobilizing the spine turn into decreased pain is where the adjustment's all about. So there's a bent. There we go. Lower your arm. Mm-hmm. Just like so. You got it. I got you. Good. And on the flip side. Okay. Nice. And onto your back, my dear.
Okay.
It's my favorite one. Love this one. There we are. Now for the neck. Awesome. Yeah.
That makes me laugh. That's the scary one.
Yeah, it always is, but it's so much fun for me. Let me help you up here.
Okay.
There we are. Look at you, still in one piece.
Woo! I made it.
All right. How's it going? It's going very well. Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you too.
So tell me, is there anything going on with you specifically today?
Yeah, lower back's a little bit sore every so often, but other than that, yeah, shoulders, neck, yeah.
All right, I'm going to check everything from tail to head.
Sounds good.
And see what I can find for you.
Okay.
Let me take your glasses from you.
Yeah, sure.
Put them right here, and I'll have you lie face down for me.
Okay.
Yeah, right there, the right side for sure. Got tension up in here. Do you get headaches?
Oh, yeah.
How often?
About a migraine a month.
Oh my. It leaves you pretty much incapacitated?
I work through it.
Mm-hmm. Right. Let's do this side up first, if you would.
Okay.
I'm going to come around this way here.
Sure.
Have you on your side with this side up. Your knee for me? Think pretzeling about halfway there.
Okay.
You move it already. There we go. And on the flip side.
Okay.
There you go. Perfect. I like the tune too.
Oh, yeah, I gotta sing it along.
You must. It's all part of the therapy, man. Let it happen. Right. On your back. This is fun for me.
Yeah, there you
How
go.
about you? It's great. Like so. Alrighty. Let's help you on up here.
Oh, thank you, sir.
You got it? How does it feel?
There's
More
blood flow
relaxed?
again. Yeah.
Perfect.
Like there's blood flow back to the neck and the head, so
That's what we want.
yeah, because then that'll help him heal and we'll be good to go.
Absolutely.
So thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Right, what do you want to do
All
first?
right. What I'm going to have you do is lie on your side.
There you go.
Cute.
Okay.
I'm going to have you lie on your side facing that direction if you would. There you go. There we are. Excellent.
Oh,
Nice. Nice movement.
oh, that moved real low.
It did.
Same thing, this side.
You got it.
Oh, it's already moving.
Listen, yeah.
Oh,
Good. On your back, please.
oh. Oh my gosh.
I'm going to do your neck a different way than I
Okay.
do other people's. I'm going to pull your neck a little bit. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Stay right where you are. Got you.
That's it.
We're done. There we go. Got it.
Just like that.
Ta-da!
Yay.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, thank you again for watching. And remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell so you can see when our next video comes out.